Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was born in Florence, Italy on 12 May 1820. When she was 2 years old, her parents came to England. She gained her early education from her father. Father said, "Little Florence Nightingale, when I grow up, I should like to be a nurse." The little girl's father said, "My dear daughter, you are a weak girl. It will be difficult for you to become a nurse." "I'll try my best to be a nurse," said Florence. Florence's grandmother smiled to see the little Florence, who was giving her dolls medicines and patting their heads. The grandmother was surprised when she called, "Come, Florence, your mamma has guessed." And Florence said, "I won't leave my stick dolls that need me." One day Florence Nightingale found a boy who grew a stone which hit the dog's leg and hurt it. The boy, who was very unkind, ran away. Nightingale, who was kind-hearted, took the dog home with her. She bathed the injured leg with hot water. The dog, which felt relieved, like hand as if to say, "Thank you, little nurse, thank you." Florence Nightingale then put a tight bandage round the sore place, and about a week the leg was quite well. One late night a farmer knocked at the door. Florence's father went to the door. "Please, Mr. Nightingale," said the farmer, "Curie has had a bad accident. His knee the badly hurt and swollen. He was begging for Miss Florence to come and help him. We all love Miss Florence for helping sick people. Can she come to help my son?" Mr. Nightingale did not know what to do. Before he could think of what to do, Florence, who had heard the man ask for help, heard past saying, "Papa, I must go. Glories need me." Mr. Nightingale looked at her face and allowed to her to go. When Florence Nightingale grew into a woman, she became a very wonderful nurse. In 1854, when Crimean War broke out, she became much worried to her the poor nursing facilities. She went to hospital confined by three a nurse to nurse the soldier who were her doing night. She walked shortly from bed to bed, holding a light lamp.